How to fix Spotify firewall on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and you search for Spotify. When you found it, just open it like this and go to storage and go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.